Ever wonder how people are making $5, $10, even $50 a day just clicking buttons, answering questions, or testing websites, all from home? Today, I'm revealing 5 platforms that pay real money for simple tasks you can do anywhere. But there's one critical thing you need to know before you start. Hey everyone, Victor here. Welcome back to the channel where I show you how to earn real money online without scams or fluff. Today's video is all about 5 legit websites that pay you to complete simple tasks like surveys, usability tests, and quick feedback gigs. Now listen carefully. If you're outside the US, UK, Canada, or Europe, you'll often find that these websites block you or limit your earning potential. That's why you'll need a proxy to access and work on these platforms safely and without getting banned. And speaking of proxies, I personally recommend ProxySeller. They're reliable, fast, and affordable. If you don't know how to buy or set one up, I've dropped a video tutorial below showing exactly how to purchase and install your proxy step by step. Trust me, you'll need it if you're outside the supported regions for the platforms I'm about to share. First on the list is Mobrog, a survey platform where you can earn 50 cents to $3 per survey. They're active in over 70 countries, but the highest pay rates go to the US, UK, and Europe. It's perfect for beginners, and cash outs start at around $5 via PayPal. If you've got spare time on your phone or laptop, it's easy extra cash. Next is UserCrowd, a platform where companies pay you to test website designs. You'll look at a website, answer a few short questions, and that's it. Each test pays about $10 and takes less than 5 minutes. No specialized skills needed, just honest opinions. Perfect if you want to squeeze in some quick income during breaks. Here's another survey site, Triaba, with payouts of up to $5 per survey. They're available in many countries, but again, best rates go to Western regions. Surveys are usually short and can be done right from your phone. A great choice for stacking multiple platforms to increase your earnings. This is Testbirds, a usability testing platform where you check apps, websites, or digital products and share your feedback. Tests pay anywhere from $10 to $50 depending on complexity. They often look for people from diverse backgrounds, so even if you're outside Europe, a proxy can help you access more tests. It's a brilliant way to earn while helping improve tech products. Finally, Prime Opinion, a newer survey site, paying $1 to $5 per survey. Super easy to sign up, and they pay out via PayPal or gift cards. While open worldwide, certain countries get better survey availability, making a proxy useful if you're outside those regions. A solid choice to add to your daily survey routine.